Hello and welcome to the SCRIBZEE YouTube channel. Did you know that SCRIBZEE includes a search engine that you can use to retrieve your notes quickly? So in this video, we're going to show you how search works. Open SCRIBZEE. From the main screen, tap Search. You can use the search function to search your notes stored in the Notes folder or your cards stored in the Cards folder. In the search bar, type in the keyword you want to search for. The search results appear beneath the search bar. To display a note on screen, just tap it. SCRIBZEE displays all the notes that include the keyword in the file name. If the file name is an exact match, the keyword will be shown in green. The file names that contain a similar keyword to the one you search for are shown in blue. Any file names that contain words that share one or two letters with the keyword will be shown in orange. You can refine your search by adding dates. Tap the calendar icon to the right of the search bar. Define a search range by selecting a start date and an end date. The notes scanned between those two dates will appear on screen. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos about SCRIBZEE, have a look at our YouTube channel.